Hello, this is Ryan Laganza from Keller Williams Edge. Today, I am at Unit 1204, 1270 Maple Crossing Boulevard in Burlington, Ontario. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with a beautiful view, as you can see. It has large windows and a lot of light. Let's take a look around. One of my favorite things about this property is the sitting room and what can easily be turned into a workstation. Look at the view while you're working from home. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Unit 1204, 1270 Maple Crossing Boulevard in Burlington. If you want to see it for yourself in person, please give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.